I think we mentioned a little bit about the resources that you've used to learn, right? Um,
Mm.
are there any books that you would recommend, especially like you mentioned, people sort of jump over the user experience research side of things, right? Are there any
Yeah.
books that you would recommend viewers to check out, learn more about the initial stages about of research, stuff like that?
There are a lot of books actually, but there are certain design books that I would recommend, which is Hooked. Then there is Design of Everyday Things. Then
Yep.
there is uh, Design Sprint by Jake Knapp. That is
Yeah.
also there. These are the couple of books that I would recommend, which are in this whole design ecosystem where you have to read it through and kind of uh, im- try to put those things in practice by
Practice.
reading it. Right.
Yep.
There
Yep.
is one more book called "Don't Make Me Think"
Yep.
by Steve Krug or something. I think the first founders of Instagram or someone who's
Right.
written those books. But yeah, I think these couple of books are really interesting to read. And yeah, I think there are certain biographies also, like Elon Musk and Steve Jobs and Bill Gates and all. They have some amazing content in their book that they try to how they have came up with these ideas and all. So it's really interesting to read.